Hello, today we are going to solve one more question on our EMFT. And this question is telling us, by expressing diagonals as vectors and using the definition of the dot product, find the smaller angle between any two diagonals of a cube where each diagonal connects diametrically opposite corners and passes through the center of the cube. Okay, so now we need to find two diagonals, say D1 or D2. Or this is D1 and D2. We have to know that it is a 3D shape, that is a cube. So we will have x, y, and z components. Okay, and now the corners of a cube are 8. There are 8 in total. So we can say 2 exponent 3. That is 2 exponent 3 inputs for the corners. Hence, we can use the binary combinations to find our coordinates for the corners. So let me see. D1 will be 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, then D2 will be 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this is telling us that our D1 in its vector form can be 1 minus 0, which is AX, 1 minus 0, AY plus AZ. D2 is also 0 minus 1, negative AX plus AY plus AZ. Okay, so now since we've gotten our D1 and D2, we say we should find the smaller angle between any two diagonals. Smaller angle between any two diagonals. Hence, we would like to use our dot product formula. That means we'll find the dot product of the two diagonals, which is going to be equal to their individual magnitudes, the product of the individual magnitude, cos of the angle between them, or what we term as the smaller angle between the two diagonals. Okay, so when I find the scalar of D1 and D2, AX multiplying negative X will give you negative 1 plus AY multiplying AY, we get 1 plus AZ dot AZ, we get 1, which is equal to the magnitude of D1. So magnitude of D1, is going to be 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to root of 3. Hence, root of 3 multiplying, same for D2, cos theta. Now, this place we have 1 is equal to 3 cos theta. So our theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 on 3. And what do we have? Our theta is equal to 70.53 degrees. Hence, the 70.53 degrees is our smaller angle between the two diagonals of the cube. Thank you. Bye.